If you're looking to improve ad relevance and boost the performance of your campaigns, then AdCreative AI is the tool you need to know about. By using artificial intelligence, it helps marketers create highly targeted and personalized ads that resonate with the right audience. Stick around till the end, and I'll show you how to maximize the benefits of AdCreative AI and why it's a must-have tool for any serious digital marketer. And by the way, you can get started completely free through the exclusive link in the description below, along with some extra bonuses. AdCreative AI leverages machine learning to take the guesswork out of creating ads. It analyzes your past ad performance, identifies patterns, and then generates creative assets that align with what has worked best for your target audience. With its data-driven approach, you don't need to spend hours testing various ad designs and copy. Instead, AdCreative AI automatically produces multiple versions of your ads optimized for performance. One of the standout features of AdCreative AI is its ability to improve ad relevance. Relevance is critical in digital advertising because the more aligned your ad is with the needs and interests of your audience, the better your results. AdCreative AI makes this process seamless by customizing the visuals, messaging, and call to action of your ads based on real-time data. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or other digital campaigns, AdCreative AI ensures that your creatives are always optimized for engagement. Not only does it save you time, but it also increases conversion rates. By using AI to refine your creatives, you can target your audience with the most relevant ad content, increasing the likelihood of clicks and sales. And because the platform continuously learns and improves from previous campaigns, you can expect better results over time without lifting a finger. Another key aspect of AdCreative AI is its integration with popular ad platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram. You can easily upload your audience data and let the software take care of the rest. It will recommend the best creative formats and ensure that your ads meet the specific requirements for each platform. Plus, the platform's built-in analytics let you track the performance of your ads in real time, so you can quickly adjust and optimize your campaigns. AdCreative AI's ability to create personalized, high-performing ads is a game changer, especially if you're working with multiple campaigns or targeting different demographics. Whether you're a small business or an agency, this tool scales with you. It simplifies the process of running effective, high-converting ads across various platforms and helps you make the most of your ad spend. Now, if you're new to this kind of AI-powered tool, don't worry. AdCreative AI is user-friendly and doesn't require a steep learning curve. It's designed for marketers at all levels, and getting started is as simple as signing up, uploading your brand assets, and letting the software work its magic. If you're ready to improve ad relevance and take your campaigns to the next level, AdCreative AI is the perfect solution. And remember, you can get an exclusive extended free trial by using the link in the description below. Whether you're looking to scale up your campaigns, save time, or improve your results, this is the tool to make it happen. Don't miss out. Click the link and start optimizing your ads today.